To design, plan and execute the new Tehri town was a daunting and unique challenge, never attempted before. This new township was to take the place of the old town, soon to be submerged by the waters of the Tehri Dam. The multi-purpose Tehri Dam, urgently needed to generate electricity, would also provide controlled irrigation, reliable water supplies, and help minimize the periodic devastation of floods. But it would also displace over 12,000 people's lives and homes. Planning for the new town entailed the integration of several diverse and sensitive issues. A high sense of responsiveness to people's needs, respect for the holding capacity and natural systems of the land, sustainability of the environment, and equal opportunities for all. The picturesque mountain hamlet of Burari was chosen as the site for the new town. It offered the planners 200 acres of naturally terraced slopes, valleys, and dome-shaped formations cascading down to a large flat terrace. After exhaustive research, 5 primary criteria coalesced to form the dynamic plank for overall design and planning. Functionality, environmental sustainability, cost-effectiveness of urban design, social and democratic considerations, and preservation of the culture and heritage. Throughout the planning process, these criteria remain the primary points of reference for the evolution of the town's urban design concept. In terms of functionality, every kind of facility integral to a nodal hill town has been catered for, from schools and playing fields to hospitals, shopping and housing complexes. Conceived in 3 layers, the municipal and community functions are on the lower, flat reaches. Residential and plotted developments on the middle level, and sub-regional institutional functions, including colleges, the hospital and the bus stand, on the uppermost end, while a complex and aesthetically designed network of roads and pedestrian pathways affords easy access to all areas for both residents and visitors. To ensure a mutually beneficial and sustainable balance between man and his environment, a comprehensive analysis of the site was essential. Moderate slopes facing south and offering the minimal disturbance to natural systems were selected for development. Residential areas were located on the eastern and southern slopes to ensure maximum sunlight and protection against the chilly winds, while vantage points, valleys and drainage channels were left untouched. Through planning and execution, a number of strategic considerations ensured that costs were controlled, both at the city and the individual project level. Though the original master plan had requisitioned several villages for the new township, the final plan concentrated all facilities in the single village of Burari. The overall savings from this focused planning were substantial. Secondly, medium-density clusters were chosen over low-density settlements. This helped in minimizing total lengths of road, water supply and electrical networks without compromising the viability of the services. Finally, as far as possible, building and construction ran along the natural contours, further reducing costs while relating aesthetically to the landforms. At all times, emphasis was placed on providing equal opportunities to all sections of society. Typically, in towns and cities, there are only token provisions made for the weaker sections, who are located in isolated and far-flung pockets, away from the general facilities and their workplaces. In New Tehri, they have been totally integrated within the fabric of the town. Situated at strategic locations, their homes face south. They enjoy the same standard of amenities and have equal access to all facilities such as schools, institutions, and open spaces. Every effort was made to preserve the cultural flavor and heritage of the old town. Residential areas were designed on the same mohalla pattern as before. The housing clusters, temples and mosques were also located in the old patterns, familiar to the people. At each step, the new Tehri plan demonstrates that its guiding principles blended the astute technical factors of urban design with a deep sensitivity for the people and their concerns. Special attention was given to chalks and shopping complexes, which form the essential nerve centers and individual character of any town. Located partly underground, the modern bus station was specially designed and sited to eliminate traffic congestion from the center of town and provide easy access to residents and visitors. And more, the importance of preserving Old Tehri's 100-year-old heritage is visible everywhere. Special icons from the town have been carefully replicated. The grand old clock tower, various temples, the mosque and gurdwara. The result is a unique mix of the old and new. While preserving the values of the past, New Tehri town looks beyond, ready to take on the challenges of a new future. While symbolizing the hard work and concerted team effort of so many dedicated officials and professionals, there is no doubt that its success is as much the result of the involvement and participation of the inhabitants themselves. Without their cooperation, this unique project, with all its daunting challenges, would have remained a dream on paper. Today, it has taken concrete shape and form as a township that has found its place within the democratic ethos of a modern and progressive nation.